Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to crochet a simple, cozy headband or ear warmer. Perfect for beginners and perfect for winter. You can make this headband in tricolor shades: saffron, white and green. So grab your yarn and crochet hook, and let's get started. For foundation chain, start with a slip knot and chain 90. Or you can chain as per your desired size of head circumference. Carefully straighten the chain. Slip stitch into the first chain stitch. Now it becomes a round shape. This will decide the circumference or size of your headband. Chain 3. Work double crochet into each stitch across. Yarn over. Insert the hook. Yarn over. Pull the yarn. 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over. Pull through 2 loops. Again pull through 2 loops. Take your time. Neat stitches make a beautiful headband. At the end of the round 1, slip stitch at the 3rd chain. Pull the yarn to tighten the stitch. Grab white yarn and make a slip knot to join into the headband. Now chain 3. And just repeat round 1 to complete the round 2. For round 3, grab orange yarn and repeat round 1. Insert hook from the back and pull the yarn. Cut and fasten off all the extra yarns. You can repeat round 1 with alternating yarn colors again and again, until the height fits comfortably around your head. And that's it. Your crochet headband ear warmer is complete. You can make this headband as a winter accessory, a handmade gift. If you enjoyed this beginner crochet tutorial, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. More easy crochet projects are coming soon. And happy crocheting!